What's up, Lake Erie golf cars? We're back with another EZGO golf cart. This one is the Solar Flare Express 2025 L6. Let's take a closer look at it. It has the nice multifunctional dash with holders for different items. You have your instrument panel here. It's going to tell you how much fuel you have left, your ignition, your horn, also your lights. If we go around to the other side, you're going to see on the dash, another one of the features is a lockable glove box. Inside of the glove box, you'll see there's also a tray that is removable in case you need something bigger in there. You can just insert that tray. The key comes taped right there. You'll be able to pop that off, add it to your keychain, and lock up your valuables if need be. The seats on this are the premium seats. Nice stitched in finish with the ribbed insert. Also, it contours to your body for more comfort. This L6 is going to come equipped with a rear view mirror. It is convex to give you a wider field of view. Underneath the seat, you'll see that this is a gas golf cart. 13.5 horsepower engine will get you every place that you need to go. And this solar flare finish will get you there stylishly. Before we get to the rear seat, let's take a look at the rims. The Solar Flare Express L6 comes with a premium rear seat that features cup holders. It is constructed of this highly durable molded plastic. And when you fold the seat open, you also have an underneath storage section with an insert big enough for beverages or other things that you may want to keep dry. Also, this whole basket comes out with ease for cleaning or transportation purposes. In case you go fishing or need to do anything else project-wise on here, there's a somewhat tape measure on the back that goes from 0 to 24 inches. We know you always catch fish bigger than 24 inches, but maybe you'll have to measure it twice. Underneath, the majority of the storage section is taken up by that basket. Features a handrail so passengers can get on and off easier and be safe while they're driving, as well as a durable footrest. If it's sunny out or some light rain, you'll have a little bit of protection from the extended top. The windshield in the front, well, does what it's supposed to, it blocks the wind. But if you want to take it down, it's just as easy as this. 2 handles, folds down, pop those in so it doesn't bounce and vibrate while you're driving, and it's just that easy. Did it with one hand. This model also features a brush guard going across the front to protect you from any debris, branches, or hopefully not any accidents. The lift kit on the L6 gives you a little more ground clearance if you need it, and a little more comfortable getting in and out. If you're interested in this golf car, reach out to us at LakeErieGolfCars.com and find out more information on this 2025 EZGO Express L6 featuring the Solar Flare body.